Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a white star next to your profile on Snapchat. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the Snapchat app here. Once I'm there to get this white star, I can tap on the profile at the very top left. And then I'm going to tap on the gear icon at the top right here, and you can see right under email is Snapchat. Plus, I'll tap on that. And then here gives me the ability to either start a 7-day free trial at the bottom, or I can do 1 month, 6 months, or 12 months for 12 months. It's about $40 to subscribe, but you can just do a 7-day free trial to see what it looks like and what the features are, and to see those at the top you can see learn more. I'll tap on that. And then towards the bottom here, you can see Snapchat Plus badge, and I can tap on that. And it says as a Snapchat Plus subscriber, you can add some flair to your display name with a black star badge, which is a white star surrounded by black in a little circle. And it walks you through how you can change that and add that white star badge to your display name so that everybody can know that you're Snapchat Plus subscriber, and that you have all of these additional features that Snapchat Plus gives you hope. This helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.